Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up multiple Instagram accounts and how to also use multiple Instagram accounts. And the most common problem or issue people have been having is how to set up these multiple accounts and how to use it. That is to have 2, 3, 4 or up to 5 different Instagram accounts in one place and how to manage each and every one of them. As you can see on my homepage here, I have 3 different Instagram accounts, all separate from each other. Whatever story you post or whatever text message or feed you send on your Instagram account, they are all separate and different from the individual accounts. And you can see I can easily switch between the accounts without any problem. You can see. And these accounts are all separate and different from each other. If this is your first time on my channel, I post tech tutorial and social media tutorial every time, so please consider subscribing. So let me show you how to set up multiple Instagram accounts and how to manage each and every one of them. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your settings on the page, and also you can do this like how to add the account. You can do this in 3 different ways. You can either do it from the top of the page. Here at the bottom part you can see add account, or you can hold your logo at the bottom of the page as well, and you also see add account. Or you can go to the options menu at the top right corner of the page, you click on it, and then you go to settings, and then you scroll down, and then you should see add or switch accounts. If you should click on that, you also see at the bottom you have add accounts. Then once you're there, all you need to do is just click on add account, and once you are brought to this page where you're asked to log into existing account or create new account, all you just need to do is to click on create new account, and then you'll be asked to put in a username as what you want the new account to be called. So I'll just give this a name now. Okay, then once you're satisfied with the username, you just click on next, and then you input a password for what you want the account to be. And once you're done with inputting your password, just click on next. Then you'll be prompted by Instagram and asked if you want to complete the sign-in without adding a new phone number or email address, meaning that this account will be connected to your main account. If you want to add a new phone number and an email address, you can do that by clicking at the option at the bottom part. But if you want to continue without adding a new phone number and email, you just click on complete sign up, and then you'll be logged into your account. Once you are logged into the account, Instagram will ask you to find your friends by connecting to Facebook. You can skip this for now. I will just skip this for now. And right now you can see I have been brought to the home page to the page of my new account. If I should just go to my home page, and if I should click at the top of the page here to access my multiple accounts, you can see that the new account I created has been added to my other various Instagram accounts. So here you can easily switch as well, like I told you. By clicking on one of them, you can switch between the accounts, and whatever you post on any of the accounts, it's separate and different from one another. So if I should go to my home page again, you can see it's very simple and easy to set up. So once you're on the page of the new account you just created, if you want to change your profile picture, just go to edit profile, then click on change profile picture at the top of the page, and then you can either import a picture from your gallery, or you can import a picture from Facebook, but I will use import from the gallery. So new profile picture, and you will be brought to your gallery or your photos, and you can easily pick whatever picture you'd like. Let's say I would use this one. Let's say I zoom it in like this just to make it look different. Click OK. So you can see now, if I should click at the top part of the page, you can see the new account I created and my other accounts are all together. So you can see it is very simple and easy to set up multiple Instagram accounts and also manage them. So I hope this video or tutorial was helpful or you found it useful. Please, if you did, please give it a like, and also please subscribe to my channel as I post tech and social media tutorials every time. So please consider subscribing. And if you like the video, please give it a like. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.